20th question. Calculate the EMF of the following cell at 25 degrees Celsius, Ag plus 10 raised to the power minus 3 m Cu 2 plus 10 minus 1 10 raised to the power minus 1 m Cu s. Given the E cell is equal to plus 0.46 volts and log 10 n is equal to n. Cell Rx raised to the power n is equal to 2 Ags plus Cu2 plus aqueous. That gives an irreversible reaction, that is 2 Ag plus aqueous plus Cus. EMF cell is equal to E cell minus 0.0591 upon n log Ag plus whole 2 upon Cu plus 2. Putting the values in the equation, we'll get the value of EMF cell as 0.60775 volts.